Astro BC Reddy Maths, CBSE 12th Maths, Relations and Functions. Here I have to introduce the shortcuts, tips and tricks of relations and functions. Now, the classification of function. One-to-one function. The mapping f a tends to b injective function is one-to-one function. If different elements of A have different images in B. Here I have given examples. Many one function. The mapping f A tends to B is many to one. Two or more than two different elements in A have the same image in B. Onto function. A function is said to be onto if the range is equal to codomain. Into function. A function is said to be into if range is not equal to codomain. Composite function if A tends to B and G equal to B tends to C are two functions. Then the composite function of f and G or G of f is to A tends to C will be defined as G of f of x equal to G of f of x for every x belongs to A. Here I have given the examples of composite functions. Now the relations. Reflexive relation, symmetric relation and transitive relation, equivalence relation. Reflexive relation. Relation is reflexive if A comma A belongs to R for every A belongs to A. Symmetric relation. Relation is symmetric if A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A belongs to R. Transitive relation. Relation is transitive if A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to R. If relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, it is an equivalence relation. Here, common types of functions are given: linear, quadratic, cubic, logarithmic and exponent functions. Some equations and graphs are given here. Now, composite functions. If A tends to B, G is B tends to C, then G of f equal to A tends to C. G of f is nothing but G of f of x. Here G of f is informed by the composition of functions f and g. Here composition of functions. Here I given the diagram of the composition functions. Please subscribe it.